Hello darling, welcome or welcome back. It is Lady Draws a Lot. I am an illustrator and a comic book artist, and today we are going to be doing the November Artsnacks unboxing, using, and review. So I just want to take a quick second to say thank you so much to everyone who has entered in for the giveaway for the mystery Artsnacks box. If you didn't hear about this, I am doing a giveaway of this mystery box that I never got to back in February, and it's just been kind of staring at me from my shelf. So I wanted to do this giveaway for you guys to go ahead and unbox and use this for yourself. If you would like to enter, it's go to my website, comiclodge.com, subscribe to my newsletter, and you're in, you're entered, that's it. And as I said before, I don't put out a newsletter very often at all, so it's not spam or anything like that. And I am having so much fun seeing the interaction that's coming in. I'm seeing you guys subscribe, and it's awesome. That said, anybody who enters, I think would have an amazing chance because I haven't gotten that many entries. So it's not like the national lottery where you're like 1 in a billion or whatever. Your odds are great. The interaction in general is just making me really excited and it makes me feel more connected to you guys, which is why I want you to subscribe to my newsletter, because I just feel like that's a more personal connection to you.
Thank you. And I love you. That's all.
So for this Artsnacks box, I'm thinking that we should try another prompt from the prompt generator. I have the list of things here, and I see object. I think I'm going for object today because normally I'd go for character or creature, but I'm feeling object for some reason. So let's see what it gives us. Besides ads, which it's giving me. Impractical armor. Okay, I can work with this. Impractical armor. Got it. Let's unbox this box, see what's inside, and make some artwork. Let's get creative. Okay, so I just wanted to stop and like do something I don't normally do, because as soon as I opened this, I went, look at this beautiful pot of ink. Look at this beautiful ink pen. Look at this beautiful brush for ink. Wouldn't this have been great for Inktober? Yeah. That said, I'm happy to have it, but would have been nice last month. Here's where I landed with my drawing with the impractical armor prompt. I'd say if this guy's going into battle, that's some pretty impractical armor he's got on, so I think we can all agree there. To let you know what paper I used, this is the Sketchbox Signature Wet and Dry Media Paper, 140 pound, cold press surface, 4x6 in size. So let's talk about these products in the box. Let's start with this Amsterdam Acrylic Ink. This ink works out well. The color of gray is really nice. It's very neutral. It doesn't really lean blue or brown to me. It's very kind of in the middle. And it does layer and build up really well. This ink is very good. It'll also last you a while. This is a nice size. This is 1 ounce of ink, and it also has a dropper top, which is nice for easy measuring. That retails at $8.75. I think that's well worth it. If you're looking for a gray ink, this is a good one. It mixes with water beautifully while it's, you know, wet and you're working with it. Once it dries, it's waterproof. Now let's talk about the Princeton Velvetouch synthetic brush. This is a very nice brush. It felt very smooth. It held the color well, and I didn't have any issues using it. The tip didn't fray out at all, so it does look like it's going to be a nice one that lasts. This one retails at $11.25. I do not think that's a bad price for a brush. Very nice. I'd recommend it. It was good. And then we have the Caran Supracolor Soft Aquarelle Pencil. Oh boy, these things are a mouthful sometimes, I tell you. This colored pencil is great. It works really well. I do find that softness and that it's water soluble, that mix of qualities, makes for a very nice user experience. I would love to have a set of these to sort of make a whole piece with all different colors and kind of see how they all work, because the color saturation on this is beautiful. I love it. This retails for $3.25. I think that's a good price for a colored pencil. Again, with colored pencils, if you can find a set, you're going to be getting a better price, I'm sure. So hunt around. I'm sure you can find a set of these for a better price than you'd buy them individually. And then last but not least, we have the Plumchester 1.5 fine brush pen. This worked well. I do get nice line weight variation with this, and the point was, I wouldn't say that fine, but it's very consistent. The nice thing about that felt tip on it is that, like a brush pen, it stays together more consistently than like a bristle brush pen. I thought this worked well. This is $2.99 according to Artsnacks. Great price, and I would buy that and recommend it. I think if you're looking for something like this, it works well. No issues. All right, well, I think that's everything I've got today, folks. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you guys next time. Bye.